I hear you get boutique. So I should chew it.
Do it
And receive your glory.
Okay, if I chew it now, I'll get this contract from government.
In a doubt, $500
billion. $500 billion. Now, I don't get the $500 billion. I should go.
Go!
Just like that.
And win the contract.
But wait!
I
will never forget.
But I just feel quick with it. Oh, gone.
Don't mention.
Ubejele nwanne mụrụ kwa nga ọ bara jite. Ekume!
Sign of trumpet, surely bring judgment. Many things are happening. Sign of the end time. In my consistency, end time. The mark is everywhere, end time. My people be careful, end time. You could never know, end time.
The quantity. No promise and fair.
Wallahi, talai. I no go to
Maka die eji mna nwoke ebu ekwenkwe eme ya. Maka na nwoke kwecha nkwala azụ. Oburu ụjọ. Ọ na-ebute ọnwụ.
No. I can't go back to that bush again. Look at me now. I'm a big boy. Yes, I'm a big guy. How can I go inside that bush again to see No. I can't go there to see that native doctor. I can't go there. I'm a big man. That is a very distant, difficult place. Forest. I can't go that place. Which kind of agreement? I should carry my this and God give you. Shebe.
That's what I'm telling you.
Yes, no, my brother.
Charlie, no be easy. As you can see, I bought this one. $2 billion. God, this one I bought $5 billion. Come, let me show you. Come, let me show you. Yeah, come, let me show you. Bye. You see what I'm telling you? Those people did not work this thing very well. See, look at the pipe there.
Oh. You got to arrest them.
The setting is not good. Look at how the setting is bending. It's not good.
Yeah, you got to.
By next week, I will be traveling to Dubai. Make sure you carry care of the house.
Oh, God.
Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Let me be over here.
The sound of trumpet, we surely bring judgment. Many things are happening. Sign of the end time. The mark is everywhere, end time. My people be careful, end time.
You don't want to show me this road. You don't want to carry me along, nah.
Nyabra nuze te kakwano. Onye noru ngo na no na agya.
Mana ezo.
Hey. Let me show you. You have to work hard, okay? Work hard. Okay? By next week I will be traveling to Dubai. When I come back, then I will show you 1 or 2 things.
You will come back next 2 months.
Next 2 months I will be back, but I'm traveling next week. Okay? Let me show you. Let me show you your backyard. Let's go.
Yeah.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
The mark of is end time. The mark is everywhere, end time.